So I'm Derek Snyder. I'm a product manager at Microsoft on the mobile communication business. Let's talk about 6.1. So the great thing about 6.1 is that it's got this new home screen experience. We wanted to make sure that everything was very easy to find. You know, we understood there was a lot of great stuff in Windows Mobile 6, but discoverability is something that's so important today. So at a glance, we not only have the date and time, but we also have all of the notifications. Everything that's going on in your phone. So your missed calls, your voicemail, text messages, and email. And they light up as the new content starts to come in. So for instance, I can scroll down, see new text messages, come in very clearly with a photo and with a little preview of the message. I also, at a glance, can always see my next calendar appointments. And as I start scrolling through, it shows me all of today's and tomorrow's. Using all the same familiar Outlook iconography that I expect from my PC. But making things simple and easy to find wasn't enough. We actually had to make sure that customers could set up their phone very easily as well. First 10 minutes, first 10 days, 10 hours, those are all critical. And so having a getting started center like this has really been a great way to help customers set up their email. We've got over 2,600 settings, so whether you're setting up Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, whatever, it automatically is detected. Also have the ability to do an automatic Bluetooth pairing, so it automatically figures out the right pairing code for your Bluetooth headset and then joins them together. So no longer do you have to know the 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, etc. And of course we have things like the ability to transfer music, really using this as a phone that you would use for both work and money. As you keep scrolling down, you see we've got our music, and that's on a plug-in right on the home screen as well. I've got my photos, so it's very easy to see all of those right from my home screen. And finally, we took kind of the most popular settings panels and brought it right to the home screen as well. So I can set my profile, I can turn on and off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, GPS, whatever else. Change my ringtone, change my background image, and finally we've added a full task manager. So it's very easy, right from this view, to be able to actually close the program. So let's go back to our messages. We go to Outlook, for instance, Outlook Mobile. We have kind of all of our most recent accounts. We've got text messages, we've got our Exchange emails coming in, Hotmail, Yahoo, whatever. I'm going to go into Outlook email, and you see here that it looks like Katie Jordan is actually asking us for a package number. So I can scroll down and find an order confirmation and actually find that package number. You know, it'd be great to be able to just copy and paste it. So on Windows Mobile 6.1, even on non-touchscreen phones, we have a new copy and paste function. It allows us to very easily select and highlight an entire tracking number, move it into a new email, to a text message, bring it over to my web browser where I can track it. Of course, I can actually paste that in right here. We also bring other familiar things from Outlook on the desktop, like autocomplete. So when I start typing a few letters, it automatically brings up the drop-down list, just like you'd expect from your PC. So that's another enhancement we've made. Now, one of the other things we want to make sure customers can do is really be able to find email and triage it from their phones. It's not just about reading and writing email anymore. We want to be able to, with a few keystrokes, do a search for email, in this case CTIA, and use that familiar paradigm from the PC where I can click Shift and push the down arrow and actually start highlighting a group of messages. And then it's very trivial for me to just mark it as unread, delete it, or move it. And I can bring that into a substitute here.
So I'm going to get some more.
So we've done all that. Now on the home screen we saw that I've got a new text message from Robbie. Of course I don't want to leave it hanging too long. I can open that up and you'll see that we actually now have threaded text messaging. So what I've sent and what I received shows up very much like an instant message chat. It's something we think customers really want. It's a great experience for everyone. So that's Windows Mobile 6.1. I hope you're excited as I am. It'll be coming out on both updating devices and new devices in the next couple of months.